Morning everybody, CryptoStrang here. Following on from the video I've done the other day about OKX, very exciting exchange, spoke very fondly about this exchange. The video was over 17 minutes long as we sort of covered all the basics of OKX. Just go more in depth in the trading side which OKX offers. There's many parts to OKX as I covered in the video, so we do different section videos. Obviously the video just go on and on, wouldn't it? Let's be honest. So I've done the video the other day. I'll put the link below, give an overview of OKX, why I really believe in their project. Everything about their dashboard, also the two tokens also we spoke very fondly about. So when you look at OKX, you go on CoinMarketCap, the top derivatives exchanges out there, you can see OKX is number 3. To be honest, when we look at the chart, I'm not sure why it's not number 2, because it's got 3 times the volume in the last 24 hours on FTX. You can see the fees are exactly the same. The open interests are more than FTX. The number of markets on FTX is 43 and OKX is 206. So anyway, so OKX is number 3. So absolutely fantastic. Of all the exchanges out there, and OKX is already at number 3. You know, that's absolutely fantastic. A lot of volume. So again, it speaks for the project itself when so many people trust in OKX. As I said, I like everything about what they're doing and their development. It's an exchange which is constantly developing. Okay, and long term, I think it's got huge, massive potential. So when you go on there, you've got your dashboard, and I showed this the other day, but you can see here all the different parts. So today we're going to look under the trade section, and they've got many parts to it: convert, basic trading, margin trading, trading bot, and the block trading. Okay. Now, me personally, I don't do block trading because it's more for large size pots, as it says, but a multi-leg structure, so it's not for me. However, we're going for the other bit. Now, the easiest bit to do on it is to convert. Okay, they make this so easy and simple. It's incredible. So obviously, you see there, got some funds available on here. So to make it easy, instead of going on like a trading and doing exchange, you know, the typical exchange we see all the others, we put in your figure, your percentage, etc. You basically put here. Let's say I've got the 500 USDT on it. So let's say I want to do, let's just do 60 USDT, and I'm going to use my favorite altcoin, Cardano. So that'll give me 100, basically 139 ADA. Now all you have to do, it states there, obviously I'm using my fund account. You can use your trading account when doing this. Again, makes it very easy. You just convert it. Okay. Now you can see there, 1 ADA, basically 43 USDT at the moment. You know, think now, just for 60 Tether, I'm going to get nearly 139 ADA long term. Again, still super bullish on Cardano, so absolutely fantastic. You just hit confirm. You can see there, and it's converted. How easy and quick is that? Now that just makes, just general, getting your altcoins so damn easy. I've spoken before about depositing, you know, on there using your fiat. That's what's great about OKX. You deposit your fiat and use Apple Pay as well. Many different cryptos you can buy direct instead of just buying the traditional big ones. You can buy many as well. So that is absolutely fantastic. So that was easy, as you can see. You can see it there. No fees, no spreads, more pairs. Now, this was a bit interesting. People said, how is crypto conversion different from trading? The difference between using the crypto converter on OKX and the trading crypto on the spot market is that the converter automatically selects the optimal exchange rate for the 2 selected assets. Again, it makes it easy also for people just getting started with crypto. This makes it so damn easy. It's absolutely incredible. It's amazing more exchanges don't sort of do this really, because I say this just makes it absolutely easy. Also, when you do the trading, sometimes the trade takes ages to go through. Other ways, you know, if the market moves quickly, then it can be sat there and you have to cancel it and do it again. So I say this, the fact they do the automatically sets the optimal exchange rate, to me is absolutely fantastic. It makes it easy and instant. Now, another part, you go on here, again, the trade set, the basic trading, what we're just talking about. If you prefer to do it this way, I say, oh, it's sort of the way we've done it ever since I started in crypto in 2016, you know, before when I first used my first exchange. Now, again, similar sort of layouts you see elsewhere, again, very easy to use. You can see there. So, for example, let's not always do Cardano. Let's do another one that I spoke about before about reserve rights. I made this outside the top 150. Spoke very fondly about this project. It's doing well last 24 hours. However, it never reached the heights we expected to. Okay, so I'm going to just select that. Now you can see there, I've selected RSI reserve rights. You can see down here what I've got here. Okay, now one thing I must show you also is, because this is obviously my trading account, you have to go on and transfer. Okay, so you basically go to your assets and transfer. So you go from your funding, obviously, to your trading account, select the USDT, and then you just transfer it there, okay? And then obviously you come back here and you've got it there. You've got your USDT ready. So you state here the minimum. How much of my USDT? Now I've only got 45 currently on this trading part. So how much do I want to do? So let's just do let's just do 50%. So it's 22 tether, obviously not a lot. Now that's going to actually give me 3,725 RSR. Who knows what that'll be worth in the next bull run as they continue to develop. I do follow RSR still. I've done quite a couple of videos now on reserve rights and their project and their plans, etc. I need to do an update video in the next few months, you know, as we get through this bear market and look forward to the next bull market. So I say with just 22 tether, it's 3,725 RSI. Now, it's not financial advice, entirely up to you. You must do your own research, doing any trading, any of these altcoins that I mentioned. It's never no guarantee. You must do your own research. Now, you've got the different sections here. So you get their limit. Now, you sort of do the price there, automatically selects it for you, which is obviously great. Also, you can go there, you can see the current price. You can put the price underneath, so you can get obviously get some more, but you don't know how the market's going to go. So what could happen is, for example, it could sit in the actual open orders for a long, long time. You might forget about it and just assume it went through and it didn't, and it's just sat there. So you have to cancel it. Okay, now they've got different sections. They've got the stop. Okay, you can see there to stop the trading stop. Now, when you hit that, it states there your stop order may not be triggered due to sharp market fluctuations, price opposition limits, insufficient margin, non-tradable contracts, or system error. So it's entirely up to you if you use the stop part of it. Okay, so I'm just going to basically stick to the limit, but you can see there. So got there, everything's set up. Now all I have to do now, I've got the price there, and you just basically hit buy RSR, and that's all you have to do. States there what you're going to get, order confirmation, just going through to tell you exactly what you're going to get. So you go through there, order placed successfully. Now, what's really good is that's gone through straight away. If it doesn't go through straight away, you basically get a situation where say it's an open order, and at the right here you can just hit cancel all, your tether will go back to your account, and you start again basically. So I've got my RSR, now that'll be now in my assets. That's how quick it's gone through. Again, it's instant. Okay, it's just so fast moving, but they make it very easy. So again, when we talk about the trading part, you know, to obviously convert is extremely easy. Basic trading makes it easy. But if you want to go in further and do margin trading, again, they've got this excellent thing here. They do the margin trading. Now, again, this is entirely up to you. This is higher risk, obviously. People like the fact the leverage trading is obviously extremely popular. People talk about many places where leverage trading has gone for many years. However, you must do your own research. I don't do a lot of leverage trading, hardly any, to be honest. But on here, you can see, you can hit your percentage. So what's your leverage? 1x, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30 plus. Okay, now max position current leverage is 10 dot. So that is something you can do. Again, it's similar sort of thing. You see there, I've got my 22 USDT left. So you just sort of go in there and put 50% I'm going to use to get that, and upgrade for trading. Okay, now, again, that's entirely up to you. I say it's very high risk. So again, you must do your own research. And also, again, when you scroll down here, you can see the other part. You've got your trading bot. Okay, now that is obviously another area you can do. Follow there. You can obviously make money in bull market or bear market. But also, going through, now this is really good on here. Now, I may be wrong, but I don't think any other exchanges do this. They've actually got a demo trading. So basically, you go on here and you use, obviously, pretend money. So this will teach you the way to do it. And gets you interested in how the trading works. We see the candles and you can play with it. It's not real money. So you just literally have a play, and you can see here all the different trading pairs you can use with this free money. Now, this is extremely popular. People just play it for fun. People see trade as they're learning. People new to crypto to learn how trading works. So this is absolutely fantastic. I'll say that's under assets. I just showed you there. That's an excellent way of just learning trading. So there's many different, every type of trade you want to do on here is associated on OKX. Okay, just the basic convert, the traditional basic trading. You can do your leverage trading, do the margin, etc. Okay, so this is absolutely fantastic. So anyone wants to get started with OKX, obviously email me info@cryptostrang.com or my social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out. I've showed many people throughout the years, different exchanges, but I must say, if I'm directing someone to an exchange, it probably would be more OKX at the moment, because I think they've got everything on here. In fact, you can buy with fiat. They've got everything covered. They've got their earning part. They've got the learn as well. So I say it's never financial advice. However, on a sidetrack, now go away from trading. It was this massive news the other day. Now, first people based in England here, Man City, you know, Premier League champions, have actually signed a deal with OKX. And OKX are basically, you can see on all their training shirts now, I've got OKX. Okay, so I actually saw a Man City player who's been linked elsewhere. They showed him walking into training with his OKX shirt on. So they're actually sponsoring all the Man City training shirts. Now, that is obviously huge. Again, that shows the marketing they are doing. That is absolutely huge. To get an agreement with Manchester City Football Club, the Premier League champions, is absolutely huge. So, again, speaks long term for the project, their development. So, again, let's keep a real close eye on OKX and their development. I say the OKB and OKC tokens are really superb for me long term. I think they've got absolutely wonderful potential. So, as I say, don't hesitate to reach out and help any way I can. So, wish you a lovely day. We'll chat again soon. Going to cover other different parts of the OKX exchange over the next week, 2 weeks, or whatever. So, thanks again. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.